Yo, what's up y'all, C Sent Tech in. I didn't really expect to do this video, but I guess I am now, so this is my experience so far with the Blade Z MAX. Alright, so check this out real quick. So I got this phone about a month ago, and I actually found this in the Lost and Found. I already told you all this, you can watch that video if you want to, but I found this in the Lost and Found, and this is how it was. I had the whole Google FRP lock, all that, whatever, so now we're good now. But I had this phone for a month and I haven't been using it that much, but I have been using it, and I gotta tell y'all how I feel about this thing, because like, it's not a bad phone. It's actually a pretty good phone, to be honest with you. You know what, I really been surprised with this phone. I thought it was gonna be overhyped, to be honest with you, but it's not bad. Like, I can't say that it's not a bad phone, like, at all, like, especially for the price. How much does the ZTE Blade Z MAX cost? On the Metro PCS website right now, you can buy this phone for $120, guys. My God, that is a steal. You know what? I thought it was like expensive, like more expensive, like the $200. But my God, that is a steal. I am not even lying to you. Like, this phone is way overqualified for that price. It has a 6-inch display, full HD display with a 2.5D Dragon Tail glass. That's crazy. 16 megapixels plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras, LED flash, all that blah 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 stuff. 32 gigs of internal memory, and that also blew me away. I thought it was gonna be like 16, and you got 2 gigs of RAM. Fingerprint sensor, and you have a 4,000 mAh battery. Guys, that's bigger than the Note 9. That's crazy. And you know what? They was talking about how the Note 9 has an all-day battery, and I guess this has it too. Like, that's really nice, because this thing never dies, and that's something I really want to point out in this video. So check this out real quick. So I'm gonna go to the settings real quick. I'm gonna go over to battery. Where are you? There we go. So look at this. I haven't been using it much, but look at this. Like, look at the screen time. Yeah, I haven't been using it like at all, but it's been on for 5 days, guys. 5 days. That is actually crazy. Like, I can't really imagine that at all in my Note 5, because, well, it just can't last that long. But my God, 5 days. And like I said, I haven't been using the phone much, but the Wi-Fi's been on. The screen hasn't really been on, but the Wi-Fi's been on, the cellular network, all that's been on, and all my notifications been coming through. Like, it hasn't been taking a break, really. But I can never imagine a smartphone, not a flip phone, not a bar phone, a smartphone with 5 days of battery life, and it's still going on. So it still has 24%, it's been on that long. So if I left it for a little bit longer, it could probably just get through the week. Like, that's crazy. But my experience so far with this phone has been pretty good. Like, the battery life has been really good. The screen is actually pretty nice. It's not AMOLED or anything, it's LCD, but it is pretty nice. For the speakers, I can't really speak on that because, well, I think there's some in the speakers right here, and I don't really know what that is. The fingerprint, in my opinion, while it is fast, it does kind of suck, because if I put my finger at the slightest angle, it doesn't even work. Like, I just did that right now, it didn't work. I even got a mirror so you can check this out, so let's go ahead and do it. Fairly fast. From the lock screen, that's fairly fast. Oh yeah, just peeping in the new Centec merch. Just point that out. The build quality on this phone is pretty average. The speed on here is actually pretty good. I like a lot of things about this phone. I mean, the camera isn't that good, but I mean, this is a cheap phone for like $120 or $180, so I can't complain that much. Like, I mean, it's still alright, but it's not all that good. I mean, judge it for yourself if you want. I mean, I am a hard person to impress, but even the portrait mode, like, look at this real quick. So you can see, like, the portrait mode on here is not really that good at all. Like, you can see, like, yeah, it kind of sucks. I took some other pictures, like, I think it was this one. Yeah, I took this picture. That wasn't really that good either. So if I look over here, you can also see another thing right there. So yeah, portrait mode on this thing isn't really all that good. Especially this. Now, it was supposed to get on the battery, not the background, so I don't know what that was about. But I mean, other than that, like I said, I can't say the camera is bad at all. Like, it's actually, like, way better than a lot of these budget phones, but it's still not really that good in my opinion. It'll be just fine for your YouTube videos and stuff like that, and just like taking just like quick pictures, stuff like that. I mean, it's pretty alright outdoors, but indoors it just sucks, so I don't know. Like I said, I am a hard person to impress, so that's just me. But I mean, I know other people have opinions, so yeah, that's pretty much it from my experience so far. I mean, I will update you like on a full review or a Blade Z MAX 2018 video. I'm not really sure, but I know TechRite did a video on that, so Go and check it out. I will leave a link down below, and it'll also be at the end of this video as an end card. Also, you can click the little button above right now. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. So that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one, and peace out.